Hi guys, so sorry I haven't been on and I only uploaded like once last week, but we just got back from vacation and I thought I was gonna have more time, but I didn't really have time to edit and upload while we were up there. And we went to Red River, New Mexico, and it was really nice. We weren't too busy, but we were busy. Anyway, I have a few videos to edit and upload showing our trip up there, and I'm really excited to share with you guys. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe if you haven't. And so let's get on with this video. I got my Boxycharm this week, and actually it came in while we were gone, so I'm trying to catch up. And the theme this month is all natural, Boxycharm all natural. Alright, so let's get into it, and the first thing I'm going to start with is this mask. So I will be right back. Okay, I just got out of the shower and washed my face, and I wanted to try this Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And it's supposed to nourish, smooth, and brighten, and the retail price is $35. And it did come sealed. And you're supposed to put it on twice weekly on clean skin. And it says slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. And then remove after 10 minutes with a damp dry cloth. I guess because it probably stains anything else. Oh gosh, okay. So I kind of do feel it getting warm, just a little bit. Okay, so my hands are a mess, so my mask is on, and I'm gonna wait 10 minutes. I do feel like it's slightly warmer than when it went on, but I don't really feel any tingling so far, but that's just right after putting it on. So, alright, so I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes and some change, and I just washed the mask off. My skin does feel really soft and smooth. I feel a little hot, but that just might be here. And I did feel a little bit of tingling, just like a slight tingling while this was on. But I do not have sensitive skin, so I don't know if it would be more intense if you did have sensitive skin. It wasn't bad at all. I like the smell of this, but that probably means that it has some fragrance in it. Did I say it? This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, and I mean, I liked it, and it was a little, I don't know. I liked it, and I'll probably use it again. And I don't know if I'm a little bit more red just because I'm hot or from the mask, because usually if something is tingly on my skin gets red for a while. But yeah, it's not bad. So now I'm gonna go finish my skincare and fix my hair, and then I will be back to do the rest of my goodies that I got in my Boxycharm. Okay, I put the rest of my skincare on, and my hair is still wet, but oh well. The next thing I got was the Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set, and this is retailed for $30. I really like how the handles look, because they're like this rose pink wood. I don't know, I think they're really pretty. And let's see. Okay, so we got a Luxie 510 foundation brush, which I don't usually use brushes like this. They are really soft. And then a Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. Yep. Okay, and then a Luxie 246 precision crease brush. So, alright, I guess I'm going to try to go ahead and put my foundation on with the foundation brush and see how it goes. So, I'm just going to use my Milk Makeup Skin Tint. I feel like it's soaking up a lot of the product. I don't know, it does okay. I mean, I know this is a pretty sheer foundation, but I don't know, my skin does look a little bit more even. And so, I don't know. I don't know if the foundation is just really sheer or the brush, like, it seems like it soaks up a lot of the foundation because it's, but I don't know. I'm not used to using these brushes because, like, it's been years since I've used a brush like this for foundation. Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll be back to use the rest of the products that I got. So, I'll be right back. Okay, the rest of my face is done, and the next thing that I got was this Butter London, which I think this was in every box. This is Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. And I think it's really cute because these are all like little gems. Okay, yeah. And here's what the colors look like. And this is looking a little bit more red on camera, but it's actually pretty brown. I think that's about the right color. I'm gonna use this Luxie 250. I'm gonna start with Star. It looks like it's going on pretty well. I don't think this is what this brush is actually meant for, but I wanted to try it out. So, we got like 4 shimmers in this palette and 2 mattes. So, I think that Star was really pretty. I like that green. I think I'm gonna go into that Queen. And just kind of pull this. That is very vibrant. Okay. That's alright. Not really trying to be too precise. That is actually really pigmented and really pretty, and it has some kind of, maybe a little bit of orange to it. I don't know. I'm gonna go back into that Star and kind of pull that a little bit more back in. I don't know, it's different. I'm gonna take a liner brush. Wow. I'm gonna go into that Temptress. That comes up really easy. Okay. And I'm just gonna create a line. These do seem pretty pigmented. I don't know, I like it. I think I'm gonna take this Enchantress and put that up here. And I'm also gonna put it in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna take the Lexi Precision Crease brush and go into Queen and just kind of deepen this up a little bit more. And Queen is that pink one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that liner brush again and go into that Femme Fatale. Let's see, there. And I'm gonna put this in my under eye. I think I'm done with the eyeshadow. I really like it. I think it's pretty and it's a really cool little palette. I don't know if you can really use this for every day, just because the only two mattes are this blue and brown, while all these are shimmers. But it is a nice little compact palette you can travel with. And it is cruelty free. It expires in 6 months, which is kind of not very long for an eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $32. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go put mascara and lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. The only thing I have left to put on is this Luna by Luna lip gloss. And this is in the shade Mars. I think this packaging is really pretty. I love the stars and that blue is, I don't know, it's really, really pretty. And this is supposed to be a non-sticky gloss formula, and the retail price for this is $18. And oh, it smells really good. What is that? It's a familiar smell. I don't know what it is. Like almost chocolatey, maybe? It's a really nice nude shade, and it's glittery, and yeah, it is not sticky. It feels really nice. I really, really like that. Alright, and that is my face done. The only other thing I have to try are these. I got these Kojendo spa cleaning water cloths. So I'm gonna do a check-in later and use these and see how they do, because I've been wanting to try them, but they are expensive. They're like $17. This says the retail price is $17, and there's 10 of them, I think. Yeah, there's 10 cloths for $17. So I'm excited to try them, and I know like Kathleen Lights like swears by them, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm like, wow. Okay, so before I do that, I kind of want to go through everything and do kind of my last thoughts. The Elemis Superfood Veggie Mask, I thought it was actually really nice. I really liked it. It made my skin feel really soft, but pretty much as does any mask. So I'm I'll keep trying it and see how it goes. And then the brush set, I don't know about the foundation brush, but I do like the blending brush and the crease brush. And then the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. I think this palette is really pretty. I like the colors. Do I think it's a standalone palette? No. And is this my favorite eye look? No. But I wanted to try to use as many of the interesting colors as I could. But I don't know, it's not bad and I don't hate it. But I do really like this palette and I'm happy to add it to my collection and keep messing with it and playing with it. And then the Luna by Luna lip gloss in Mars. I really like this. It's really comfortable. It's really shiny. I love the packaging. I think it's so pretty. I really, really like this lip gloss. It's really nice. Okay, it's the end of the day and I'm ready to take my makeup off, so it's time to try and test these out. And once again, these are the Kojendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. And they're supposed to be able to remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. And this is supposed to be $17 for 10 sheets, 10 cloths, which is really expensive, so. Seems like it's working pretty well. Okay, no, that did take off all my makeup pretty easily. And there's the wipe. And it feels like sturdy, like it's not gonna rip or anything. Yeah, I tried to rip it a little bit and it took some force. So, and that's after using it. So, I don't know, these are really high quality. My face doesn't feel super dry or that it has like a lot of anything like left over on it. So they work well, which they should, since they're $17 for 10. So expensive. But yeah, like I don't see any makeup left on my skin. So cool. So this box I got for $21 and according to their insert, the price of everything equals to $132. So I'm pretty happy. I don't know, I do like this box. I think it's, I don't know, I really like it. So that's everything that's in my Boxycharm this month, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, unless I'm on vacation. But from now on, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Hopefully. I guess that's it for today, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!